This is my 30th year. I'm fourth generation in doing this. Just been a dream of mine. You're an oversized kid playing in a sandbox every day. It's exhilarating when you can get a job like this job here is 5.2 miles. We're gonna pave it. It was a county road and we're turning it into a pavement road all the way to the boat dock. It's just something to be proud of that you've accomplished something like that. Your visibility for one is way greater than any other grader I've been in. The weight distribution that this thing has, and as far as how it will set down and push a windrow. We were running with another blade to see what it had. He was making a windrow, I was picking his windrow up, plus I was moving a windrow all at the same time. The other blade was spinning, pawing and scratching. It actually spun out several times. I mean, it's by far probably one of the strongest blades I've ever been on. As far as visibility, even with the other machines, this has got a lot more visibility. The cab's bigger, it's more friendly for the operator to be in it. Being able to back up and watch the mirrors as far as grading around concrete and stuff, you can actually see it a lot better, the way the cab's positioned, the way the windows and doors are. I can tell you that the rep at Con Expo wasn't lying. He told me that this machine by far was hands down better than any other machine, and he wasn't lying. I wouldn't go back to the other competitors.